In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your PNG to vector in Photoshop. So I have a regular PNG here. If I make this really big, you can see that the picture ends up to be a little bit pixelated. So we're going to fix that by changing it to a vector. So what you're going to want to do is click on your image and hit Command if you're on a Mac, and just click that. That will select your PNG, and then go over here to the box marquee tool here. Make sure you got the first one selected, and basically you're going to right click and then you're going to select Make Work Path. Now your tolerance usually can be 1 or 2, so I don't really think it makes that big of a difference, so we're going to hit OK, and you can see here that it selects. So what you're going to want to do here is come over to your Path Selection tool and come over once again and hit right click and hit Create Vector Mask. So then if you look over here to your layers, you're going to see that it made the path. So what you're going to want to do here is simply just hit Enter, and then go and come to your Quick Selection tool or your Move tool, and there you have it. So now from this point, you can just make this as big as you want, and now you see it's not getting pixelated. And this is the highest quality image that you probably can have for any PNG, for any size canvas, and you can really just make anything that you want. And there you go. Now to export this and to save it as an actual PNG, if you have a layer underneath here, you could turn this layer off. That makes it look like it's transparent. And if you're on Mac, it's perfectly okay if you come over here to export as, and over here in your selections, in your formats, you would just hit PNG and it would export normally, and you can bring this back into Photoshop and you'll see that it worked and it still keeps a vector path. Hope this helps, and make sure to like and subscribe for some more Photoshop tips.